Hello, hello, hello. I hope all is well with you and your family. Welcome for another day of live technical analysis where you can know when to enter, where to place stop loss, and where to put your take profit. We are an educational platform and you can check our live stream where you can learn and add to your trading strategy. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe or else Bogdanov will dump on you. Did Bogdanov dump on us today? Feel free to ask question and suggest coin so we can add it today. Alright, okay, let's now check our coin. Hello, hello, hello. Gandang gabi. Hello, El Negro. Hello, Rio. Hello, Felicity. Yo, what's up? Hello, handsome boy. Nasungkit kanina. Ha ha ha. Yeah. So, I think Bogdanov, maybe we have not like, comment, and subscribe. That's why Bogdanov dumped on us, huh? Alright. Hello, Jeffrey. Yo, what's up? Felicity Villaflor. Yo. Ava Grande. Hello, hello, hello. Ava has a quick reflex, huh? When you see it's dumping, you already you open right away for short, huh? Alright. Cheers, cheers, cheers. Okay. Abalang mayaman. Okay. Of course, Boss RJ. Yeah. That's nice right there. Okay. So, basic technical analysis you can learn. Okay, we'll check. Hello, Mary Ann Ko. Yo, what's up? Okay, we are in tutorial now. It seems it's hiding our chart. Let me hide our chat box for a while. Okay, let's hide this for a while, okay? I will just bring it back again. So let's check Awesome Oscillator. Awesome Oscillator is also important because Awesome Oscillator is this one. As a tool to determine whether bullish or bearish forces dominate the market. Okay? It measures the market momentum with the aim of detecting potential trend, direction, or trend reversal. Okay, what we did a while ago. Hello. Hello, RA. Hello, Channelin. Yo, what's up, Lara? Viren Paul Saison. Yo. So, what we did a while, our trade in the morning was a reversal trade. Okay? So, it's super risky trade, okay? And usually when we do that kind of trade, we usually miss. Okay, we usually miss it. Okay, and what happened was we got a falling knife. So it's really, that's why I told you it's a risky trade. So just do at least 2 to 3% of your portfolio. Okay, so at least if we are wrong, so we only lose a portion, a little only. Okay. So we should have asked the help of our Awesome Oscillator also, because Awesome Oscillator is also giving some signals if it's already going to reverse. Okay. So let's see. This is the basic of awesome oscillator. Okay. This is the awesome oscillator right here at the bottom. This is the awesome oscillator. Okay. That's the awesome oscillator right there. Okay. So whenever you see it crossing, the volume crossing to the positive, it's a bullish. Okay, it's a buy signal. Whenever it's crossing to the negative, it's a sell signal. Okay, crosses to the positive, it's a buy signal again. Okay, and then whenever it crosses to the negative, it's a sell signal again. Okay, crosses to the positive, a buy signal again. Okay, you can see the charts. So that's the first one use of the awesome oscillator. The other one is this one, saucers. Okay, so you see a red volume, and instead of crossing to the downside, it continued to the upside. So it means it's gonna continue the trend. That's saucer. Okay, and then bearish saucer, it continued to the downside. So you can see the candle also continue to the downside. Okay, bullish saucer, it continued to the upside. So you can see it continue to the upside. Bearish saucer again, so it continued to the downside again. Okay, and then this one also continue to the downside. So that's awesome oscillator. Okay, and then this one is the most useful way of awesome oscillator, the trend reversal. Okay, so you can find some trend reversal. Hello, my Ariel, yo, what's up? So we have here Twin Peaks. Okay, but this one is going to the downside. The volume is lower high, but our candle is higher high. Okay, even though it is higher high, this one is lower high. So that means we can this is already the top. Okay, and indeed it dropped hard. Okay, so right here in our awesome oscillator, low and then higher low. Right here, low, lower low. So but our awesome oscillator is the opposite. So that means this is already the bottom. So you can open long position. Okay, so it became the bottom. Okay, so that's how you use awesome oscillator. Okay, so let's check it in the market. So right here in our awesome oscillator, there is still a volume to the downside. Okay, you can see the volume is still huge in 4-hour time frame. So that means it's gonna continue more to the downside. It seems like what we tried. This is our trade yet today. Okay, let me show you what we are trying to trade today. In the morning. Okay, this is what we are trying to trade in the morning. So top. Okay, this is our trade right now. And we are expecting that this is already the bottom here. So the next one will be going up again. It might not reach that high, but at least it will retest again here and then continue the drop. Or that's what we are expecting. Okay, but it seems like we have a long wick. Okay, we have broken our parallel, our channel up. This is a channel up. Okay, so but if we have a confirmed breakout to this channel up, the breakout for this is to the downside. Okay, so look at here, this is still bearish. Okay, our awesome oscillator in 1-day time frame is also bearish. Okay, hello Lords, Ben, yo, what's up? Okay, so it is still bearish. This is bearish saucer. Okay, meaning there is a continuation to the downside. Okay, seems like our indicator are telling us to continue the trend to the downside. Okay, awesome oscillator also. Our awesome oscillator in weekly time frame also printed a red volume. A huge red volume. Okay, so that would mean this is a bearish saucer. This is a continuation. Okay, this is a continuation. So later we might have a short signal, okay? Yes, it looks like it looks like MACD also. It looks like MACD. But the good thing with this one is you as you have seen the three uses of it, the saucers, the MACD is only green and red, right? So if it's above, it's green. If it's below, it's red. But here, even if it's below, it can print green. It can show you that there is a change. There is a change of trend here, like this one, red. So this is bearish saucer. Here. This is bearish saucer, continuation. So we might continue the drop. Most probably, okay? The probability is high for this one. This is weekly, okay? Hello, Isan Gaming. Yo, what's up? Blair, Klein, Myro. Hello. Okay, so basically, this may become invalidated, okay? This may become invalidated and we might not be able to touch again to the upside or test the previous high. And we might just continue the drop. Okay, so that's awesome oscillator. Look at our charts here. In our our Russell 2000, the awesome oscillator, our awesome oscillator works in stock market, okay? So look at our awesome oscillator. It's printing a huge bearish saucer. That's why you can see a huge red volume candle here. Okay? Okay, and look at the dollar. It's pumping hard. Whenever the dollar is pumping hard, whenever the dollar is pumping hard, then what happens is everything drops. Okay? S&P 500 is also dropping. Okay? Awesome oscillator is also in the negative. So seems like there is no sign of retracement yet. Okay, Dow Jones also is dropping. It printed the red volume. So this, look at this Dow Jones right here. This is twin peaks bearish. Double top. Okay, this is double top in the Dow Jones, and look at the volume. It's lower high. So this is already the top. So it's already a short position from here. Okay. Yes. So that's awesome oscillator for you. Our awesome oscillator also works in stock market, okay? Our here in our Nasdaq also, the US 100 index also is bearish. So bearish also, okay? So basically there is no sign yet for retracement, okay? So looking forward, we can we will in our following trades, okay? So as long as we are not out of the game, that's why we always need to have a stop loss, because we are not always right. Okay? We are not always right, we are not always correct. That's why we always need a stop loss, okay? And you don't YOLO your account, so that you don't wipe out your account also. Okay? Okay. The important is you are still in profit for the whole month. Okay? That's what counts there. Okay. So that's awesome oscillator for you. Hello, Ivan. Yo, what's up? So this is awesome oscillator for you, okay? So I hope you can add it to your trading strategy. And we can keep on improving our indicators also. Okay, so how to do it? You just type AO and you find awesome oscillator. Okay, awesome oscillator. Okay, okay. So for some news for Bitcoin, Chinese stocks in yuan falls as Beijing braces for Shanghai lockdown. Oh. Dips below 40k over Ukraine and possibility of rate hike. Okay. Let's see. Afghan citizens turn to stable coins, not Bitcoin, to protect wealth. Okay, so they are exchanging. What happened to Afghan now? I haven't watched the news for Afghan. Magbebenta pa yung whale coach, kaya magdadump pa yan. Yes, yes, yes. So our trade was a... Okay, Afghan citizens turn to stable coin, not Bitcoin, to protect wealth. Okay. Citizens are worried that Taliban will seize assets, which would worsen an already declining economy, and the focus of their investments is not Bitcoin but rather stablecoin. Okay, of course, because Bitcoin is not stable. Okay, it moves up, it moves down, but right now the momentum is down. So if you open, that would also harm your funds. Okay, the idea is to have their wealth pegged to fiat currency. Executives from the country's crypto exchange note that demand is high and people are no longer storing wealth in cash or jewelry, preferring crypto instead. Okay. So if a country doesn't hold their money anymore, that would continue to lower the value of the money of the country. Okay? If you are, for example, if you are a Filipino and you don't hold peso anymore, so you are not holding peso, that would cause a problem with your country. Okay, so that would lose the value of the peso even more. That's why it is important. That's why we have a law in our country that you need to use peso only in the Philippines. And you cannot get dollar if you are not going abroad or putting your dollar into some indexes or some investment. Okay, that is a dollar funded. Okay, so that's why our country is also wise in that manner, right? So they don't allow us to get it in dollar, but we need to use peso so that it will strengthen our peso also. Okay, but this one, they are disregarding their own money and they are putting it to dollar, so that is also dangerous. Okay, the US has blocked 9 billion in foreign exchanges reserve. The economy is on the brink of collapse, with people only allowed to withdraw $400 a week. Oh, this 400 reminds me of my stop loss today. So, I lost 400 for our... That's our stop loss equivalent. Okay. So, Afghanistan ranked in top 20. In 2021, Afghanistan was ranked 20 among 154 countries in Chainalysis Crypto Adoption Index. One of several countries problem. Just 1 year before, the company considered Afghanistan's crypto presence to be so minimal it did not even rank. Okay, this isn't the first time that the country's citizens have taken to crypto to protect their finances. Venezuela and Argentina. Do you know what they are mentioning? They are... Oh, we are done already with the... We can resume the chat box. Okay. So, the country that is being mentioned here that are using dollar are mostly a country that is not using anymore. Sir, ano po yung metaverse Bitcoin din po ba yun? Okay, thank you for asking, Mavic. So, Venezuela and Argentina. So, they are both countries with hyperinflation, okay? So, because they're not using their own currency, they are using dollar or USDT in crypto, so they experience also hyperinflation. So, for Filipinos, I now don't encourage you to not to use peso, okay? So, we need peso also, so we can strengthen our economy also. Metaverse is related to cryptocurrency. Okay, so Bitcoin is part of cryptocurrency also, Mavic. So metaverse is like a virtual world. Okay, virtual universe. So you just need to buy your Oculus. You can get Oculus for 20 to 25,000 in Facebook Marketplace. If you get your goggle or the VR, that's a VR with a control, then you can explore the metaverse. Okay, and there are also job there. I'm also considering to get my own Oculus. Did I mention it right? Okay, something like that. Okay, so you can also enjoy the metaverse. Be the future. Okay, that's why Facebook is now changed its name Meta, because it's trying to enter the metaverse also. So it's related to Bitcoin, Mavic. Okay, I hope it answered your question. Hello, Myla, Osvaldo Moreno. Yo, what's up? Okay. Recognize Tether as an official currency. And in Myanmar, the government in exile has recognized Tether as an official currency as it seeks to fund a campaign to topple the military junta that seized power last year. Ooh. So even Myanmar, Ukraine has received tens of millions in donation. Okay. Salamat po, sir. Alright. Okay, so Bitcoin drops below ascending channel to 38. So that's a that I'm talking about. Liquidation spikes to 200 million. So did you contributed to the liquidated people? Now it's already 300 million. Oh my. We don't get liquidated, okay? We don't get liquidated. We only hit our stop loss. Alright. Hello, hello. Hello, Rada. Yo, what's up? So, in the past 1 hour, the liquidated are short, 69%. Okay, shorts. In the past 24 hours, 85% are long position. Okay. Kevs, you're laughing. You got liquidated or you just... Or you none of the above. That's better, right? If none of the above. Alright. Yes, sir. Hello, Pearl Rose. Okay. So, if you are a contributor of this liquidated, then your money will be included here. But if you have your stop loss, at least you did not get liquidated, okay? So you still have your funds. Because when we say liquidation, if you are in cross margin, it will wipe out your account. Okay? The whole portfolio. That's dangerous. That's why you always need stop loss. Okay, if you are using isolated, you will only, when you get liquidated, you only liquidate your position. Okay, so if you put 200 margin, so you wipe out your 200. Okay? I was in cross margin, okay, because I told you if you are using cross or if you are using isolated, the position I got was 200. So because it's cross, it took more, okay, because our stop loss is below. Okay, so that's normal. That's part of a day trader. Okay, so if you are not willing to lose, then you will even wipe out your account. But if you are willing to lose, then you will only lose. Okay, and you can still be in the trade. Okay, so that's important there that we understand. Okay, look at that one. 85% are long position. Hello, Jose Marie Kalaykay. So I hope you did not get liquidated. Okay, just stop loss. Just stop loss. Okay, so here our crypto greed and fear is extreme fear now. 23. Okay. Okay, so going back, Bitcoin drops below the ascending channel. So we drop below the ascending channel. This is the ascending channel. Okay, the ascending channel is right here. This is the channel that we are trying to trade. Okay, and we are thinking that it might find support, but it seems it didn't. So that would mean if it's a breakout here, when it's channel up, the breakout is to the downside. Okay, let me show you. Here, channel up. Ascending channel, channel up. Breakout is to the downside. Okay. Okay, so here, this is the channel up. And it did break to the downside. Okay. Okay. Okay, going back to our news. Let's check the chart here. So this is a 1-day time frame chart. Okay, so it's even clearer that it did break the channel up. Okay, let's check their drawing with their channel up. Their channel up is based on the, let's hide the fibs. Is it here like this one, the body only, right? Check. Yeah, so just the body of the candle. So this is a channel up. It's indeed a breakout. So if this is a breakout already, this is fairly dangerous for the bulls, because the breakout of the channel up is to the downside and the price target would be here. Okay, 31. So a 31 is incoming. If we break the 38,000, then we might see a 31. Oh. Hello, John Ventura. Yo, what's up? Okay. So the drop below the channel may in fact become a catalyst for further downward movement for the digital gold, as the lower border of the formation had a concentration of large orders, suggesting some traders were actively betting on the reversal on the point. Suggesting had a concentration of large orders. There is a large order suggesting some traders were actually betting on the reversal on the point. So we are one of it, right? We are betting on the reversal. We are expecting a reversal. Oh, John Ventura, what's up? Good evening. Felicity, wala pang retest. Yes. So our news event told us that there is a large order betting with the reversal here. Okay? So at least we are not alone, right? Okay. Additional selling pressure may appear because of the concentration of sell orders below the aforementioned support line. A further drop will be fueled by the market to limit the sell orders of those who open their position right at the support line. I see. The high liquidation volume speaks in favor of the theory, as 200 million worth of longs were liquidated. Oh, 200 million long got liquidated. Meaning there is a 200 million long position trying to ride. And they have a strong faith with this trend line here. We have. Let's include ourselves, right? Hello to our 19 viewers. I hope all is well with you. Okay. I hope. Okay. So basically, Bitcoin dips below 40k over Ukraine and possibility of Fed rate hike. Dips below. So the possibility of Fed rate hike. If the price of Bitcoin plummet below 40 on Monday while other saw losses. The global cryptocurrency market cap is 1.8 trillion, down to 2% from the previous day. Okay. Bitcoin selling pressure. There's a strong selling pressure. We are not alone in liquidation. Yeah. 200 million people, 200 million worth of Bitcoin. Hello, Chod. Chod Patricio. Yo, what's up? Okay. So, actually, right now, it's already 300. So, the news is just 200. But actually, it's already 300 now. But of course, that 300 includes the short position also. So, short is also getting liquidated. Yo, yo, yo. Okay. Okay, BTC seen to lose upward momentum. Okay, so it lost already its upward momentum. Forward move. Thoughts mo sa Gala, sir? Okay, we'll check Gala later. Okay, thank you for suggesting it. Bitcoin currently has a support level of 37. So the next support is waiting at 37 and a resistance level of 46. According to Patel, crypto investor may see that two major cryptocurrency BTC and Ethereum lose their upward momentum. Ethereum is down 3% and now trading below 3K. If BTC falls below 35, the next significant support is 30. Imagine if you drop below 35, your next is 30 in the following days. Okay, we'll see later how we look at Bitcoin. Okay, oh, it's already 6:32 and since it's already 6:32, if you are not yet a member, okay, if you are not yet a subscriber of our YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe, okay? So subscribe our YouTube channel. Yes, yes, yes. Yes. Sakto yung Wyckoff start last Sunday. Yeah, drop, base, drop, baby, drop, base, drop. We are just having some drop base drop, right? Yeah. So if you are not yet a member of our practical group, make sure you scan this QR code. Okay, if you scan or if you don't have something to scan, you click this link. BMD TV, hello. Okay, so scan this or click this one here, and then you will be redirected in our practical group. Okay, not practical, this one, Trade Scholar. Okay, and then from here, you see, we get some, you see here, you get some price forecasts. Okay, so weekly time frame, daily time frame, 4-hour time frame. We have a drop week, yes, last week, so we are expecting a retracement first. Actually, we have a retracement up to like 40,200, right? So it reached up to 40,200. We should have taken profit from there because it's just a small retracement and then drops again. And then for our time frame, and then 1-hour time frame. So for 1 hour, we give our long or short signal there. Okay, so if you are new, feel free to join our community and you can start making money also in our community. Okay, so this is our practical group. So we have some signals here, and we people here are mostly winners. Okay, so this is our signal last night. So our signal last night, yesterday. Okay, yesterday night, everybody made money with our short position. Okay, so it did broke. My note, if we break 39,146, we can have more dump to the downside, and we did broke it, so we got a dump to the downside. Okay, so people made money with our signals here. So okay, so make sure you join our Telegram community. So how does that work? You just need to message. You just need to message our here free. You get this practical, this one. Okay, so practical, you get daily BTC forecast, live technical analysis, daily signal. You get 2 signals every day. Okay, and then beginner course, and then learning videos. And then in the exclusive, at least a greater than 500 in your account, so you can trade exclusive one-on-one review, learning video, advanced courses, daily signals. Okay, so that's what you get in our exclusive. Okay, so we have our exclusive here. So here you can see we have a link signal also in exclusive. Okay, so I think it will also be dropped in our practical. Okay. Okay. So you just wait for our signal. So this is our exclusive here. Okay, so checking so many coins here, guided by our very own Sir Ian Kenyua. Okay, so I hope you join us so you can start learning technical analysis also. Okay, so that's it. So now let's check our chart. What is the chart telling us right now? Where are we going from here? Okay, for our time frame seems so. What do we have from here? Let's pull out our indicator. Okay, and then our Ichi. Okay, PPVR. Okay, so here. So as I told you, our market will always find support or test resistance. Okay, that's our candle will always do. It will try to find the support and then test the resistance. If the support is weak, then it will find other support. Okay, let's check weekly time frame first. So I told you, right, if you are below the cloud, I told you if you are below the cloud, then that's fairly even harder for you to go back up to the upside. Okay, we might go back up to the upside in July 11. This is too far already, right? This is weekly time frame. Okay, there we have only one entry in this one because here we got rejected in every cloud that we tried to break. Okay, so we are inside the cloud right now. We are having some support here. Okay, some demand zone trying to hold, but we already broke it. Okay, so there is more possibility, more to the downside in our weekly time frame, and we have opened a red volume in our awesome oscillator. So this is bearish because this is bearish saucer. Okay, so these lines here are considered support. Okay, so we might find support here, which is 32,855. That's already too far, right? The next support is waiting in 28,700. That's our previous support in the previous dump. Okay, that's a strong support right here. If we break it, the next support is waiting here, 9,968. So that's already too far, way below. Okay. So we got rejected in the cloud. We tried to enter last week, but we were not able to close above, so now we are below. Okay, so daily time frame. What do we have in daily time frame? Daily time frame, we are deep below the cloud already. Our awesome oscillator is also bearish saucer, so we are continually printing a red volume. Our previous candle yesterday was Sunday, and it just had a doji, a neutral candle. Okay, and so we are trying to find support here. If we don't hold this, we're gonna drop hard. Okay, so we need to hold this area right here, 38,440. Okay, 38,400. Okay, so we need to hold this one here. If we break that, then more coming in 37,135. Okay, and if we break the 37, the next support is waiting right here, 36,200. Okay. Okay. So in our daily time frame, we are still finding the support. Okay, I told you the candle will either find support and then test resistance. So if it's not yet finding the support, then it will still drop. Okay, so our title is where is the bottom? We haven't found the bottom yet. Okay, we haven't found the bottom yet, because if we find the bottom already, then that's where we can start testing the resistance again. Okay, and the resistance that we will be testing is up to here, the 42, the 43 here. This is the 43,000. We are going to test this 43,000. Okay. Okay. So 4-hour time frame, what do we have in 4 hour? In 4 hour, you can see a drop, base drop happening, right? Since it touched the top here, 43, you can see the consistent drop, base drop here. Okay, look at this one. The drop, and then test the base, and then drop, and then test the base, and then drop again. So right now we are going to test the base in 4 hour. We'll see where is the base. Okay, so usually the base is waiting here before we can continue the drop. Okay, that's possibility that we can test here. Okay, and then continue the drop. Okay, but this is 39.3. We'll see. Or we'll just have a consolidation here, because you see this 2 red volume candle. What happens is a retest volume or a low volume. Hello sir, good evening. I'm watching from Oppo. Nice. Nice, you're watching and it's fully paid. Congrats. Okay. Coach, nag-Wyckoff strat cast rin. Yes. You also use Wyckoff. Okay, the drop, base drop. El Negro still watching. Yes, thank you. Okay, here. Look at this one. So we have this drop here. This huge volume, 2 huge volume here. And then you can see a little volume candle. And now you can see a little volume candle here. So we might do drop and then consolidate and then drop again and then test and then drop. That's possibility also. Okay, just like here, a low volume base. Okay, so that's the base, and this is the base right here forming the supply zone. And then another drop, these 2 huge red volume, and then the low volume test, which is this 2 green volume here, and then goes up to retest the supply zone and then drops again. Okay, so that's a possibility of our chart right here. Either it drops, consolidate and drop, and then retest and then drop. Okay, that's also possible. Okay, we'll see what the market will do. 1 hour time frame. Maybe we are too early, right? Too early to open the long position. So we are too early together with the 300 million. Together with the 300 million. All are early for the reversal trade. So reversal trade, we usually fail that one. Okay. So we'll see. Okay. So 1 hour time frame. We'll be giving our signal. Okay, so we found a support here. We are trying to find a support here. We'll see if this hold, because this is just 1 hour time frame. Okay, we'll see if this can turn into a bottom and then start the retracement, because you can see the long wicks are sign of the power of the zone. Okay, here look at this one. It entered the zone and it has a long wick. Okay, so The stronger the level, the less time price spends at a level. Okay, so it spend less time here. It touch twice and spend less time here. Okay, so we might found already. But our awesome oscillator is still bearish. Okay, so nothing to expect. It will reverse on July. Just a quick long week, right? After July, oh, that's a 2 in 1 day. Let me check in 1 day. When are we reversing? If we are looking at in a daily time frame based on our Ichi. Our Ichi, this one is May 12. We can have a reversal in May 12. Daily time frame. Okay, that was a weekly time frame, but this one is daily time frame. So we might start reversing May 12. Okay, after the election. After the election. Is it required to have a vaccine before vaccine card before you can vote? I heard some rumors that you need some vaccine card or vaccine card. You need some vaccine card to so you can vote. Okay. So I'll be giving our signal in our practical group, okay? Later in our practical group. So base here, if we are having a drop, base drop, base drop. Look at this retest here. Look at this drop here, drop and then a retest. Okay, look at this retest here. Oh, so this is the 39.2. This is the 39.2 that we should have taken profit also. We got a rejection here because it's a strong supply zone. Okay, so touching and then drops, and that's when it started falling hard and hitting all the stop loss. Okay. What do you mean by yes, Kevs? Requiring vaccine card? So they can vote. Is it already in the news? Okay. So that's Bitcoin for you. Okay, let me check Gala. Gala has been suggested. Okay, let's check Gala. Okay, so we are having a base drop for Gala. So you have a drop and then a base and then a drop. We might have found already our. Let's see if this is the base already. Okay, so drop, base, drop, base, drop, drop, and then testing the base. Our awesome oscillator is still bearish. Okay, so super bull bearish yet. For our time frame, super bearish too. Okay, low volume node. Okay. Shout out sa 16 viewers. Yes, oh, it's already 18. Still watching. Okay. Okay. So this is okay, we will check XRP and Ape. Okay, so for our Gala, you pull out some fib line. Swing high to swing low. So you are testing the 236. Usually you can open short position again in 382. If it bounces from 382, that's a strong trend. You can open short here. Okay. So you can open short here. Okay, in this range in 0.382, and it might continue to the downside. Okay. Boss, ipit ako. Yeah. So that's a trader's life. We win some, we lose some. Just make sure when you lose, you don't wipe out your account, okay? Okay, no wiping out, just hitting our stop losses. Okay? So Okay, okay. Now we'll check XRP. XRP. Oh, nice. Congrats with your BNB short, right? You are in BNB short. Okay, so we win some, we lose some. As long as we don't wipe out our account when we lose. Okay. So that we are still in the game. Yeah, yeah. It's a learning curve. We call it a learning curve. And we even call it tuition, okay? We even call it tuition. So with that tuition, you treat it as a market tuition. Whenever you lose, you are learning something, and then that's a tuition right there. So I hope we also take note of our losses. Okay, whenever I lose trade, I always take note of the loss that I made, and I try to improve in that area. Okay, so if it's not really a good trade, then maybe I'll avoid those kinds of trade. 38850 leverage 20x. Good term, tuition. Yeah, that's tuition indeed. So I already spent at least a $2,000 for my tuition. $2,000. Yeah, so your analyst already spent much. Even my co-analyst, Sir Ian, also spent much. Okay, so you can ask the tuition also he spent. But that's, you call it experience. Okay, so when you lose your whole account, you don't tell yourself, I'm starting to zero again. So tiring. You don't tell yourself like that. You tell yourself, I'm starting with more experience. Okay, not zero. Nobody goes back to zero. You're starting from where you have fallen. Okay, so you are starting with more experience. Okay, so you don't give up. I always hit with consolidation phase. Okay, so more experience. Okay, so you take that experience with you. All right, so this is XRP. Okay, we have a bearish news in XRP also, so maybe it also helped. But basically, there's a huge, let me check the 1 hour time frame. What's in the 1 hour? If you want to enter a short position here, you can, this drop right here, this drop. So you can enter short here. Okay, if you want short, you can enter in this 3 area. 382, 5, and 618. Okay, that's a short entries right there. Why am I telling you that's the entry? Let me show you something in Fibs. Because that's the normal of retracement. It goes up and then have a retracement. It will retrace in 382. That's a strong trend. If it retraces in 0.5, that's a normal trend. If it retraces in the 618, that's a weak trend. Okay, so this is the 382, this is the 5, and this is the 618. Hello, G. Andrew, where have you been? Good to see you here, bro. Yeah. Hello, sir. I'm back. G. Andrew is here since the January. January, and then he went on a Boracay vacation, huh? You went to Boracay vacation, huh? You Unfi, sir. What's Unfi? Is that a coin? Okay. Good to see you, okay? So how's your vacation? How's your vacation, G? 0.618 means reversal. Here. Let me show you again. These are all a continuation, okay? We are just having some retracement. When we say retracement, it's a pullback. If it's going up, there's a pullback, and then going up, and then pullback, going up, and then pullback. Okay, so this, what we call here, is retracement. So either it retraces in 618, or 5 or 382. So it either goes here and then goes up again, goes here, goes up right away, goes here, goes. The same thing with going down, okay? Let me erase. Okay, to clarify. So going down, drop, drop. Okay, so this is the retracement. So this can be 382, 5, or 618. So if it bounces in 382, that's a strong bounce right there. That's a strong rejection right there. Rejection, not bounce. Okay, so if it gets, it will look like here. Let me show you. So drop. And then if it touches the 382 and then drops, so that's a strong trend to the downside. Okay. If it from here, then that's 6.1, that's 0.5. So that's a normal trend to the downside. If it bounces from here, then that's a weak trend to the downside. 618. Okay? Okay. So that's XRP. Okay? So we'll see, we'll see. We'll see. Usually it goes first to touch. Because as you can see, we have huge volume. Okay? Red volume. That's the power of the bear. So if there is a bear right there, this can be a low volume test and then drops again. Okay? A low volume test and then drops again. Okay? Okay, okay, okay. So good that you got it, Felicity. Okay? Look at this. Technicals here. It's a strong sell. Strong sell, right? So what's next of XRP? Ape, right? Ape. The last one will be ape. Okay, we'll check the ape. Ape, ape, ape. So our ape is trying to have a, and for our time frame, this is already double top. I told you this is double top, right? This is double top. And these are just the support that is holding us. Once we break this, we're gonna drop hard. Okay? So daily time frame. In daily time frame, we haven't broken this resistance yet. Okay, for our time frame, if it adds, this one adds, this can be a triple top and that would be super bearish. Okay, just me. Okay, we'll check just me. It's not just Marimar, right? Just me, oh Marimar. Okay, so this can be a triple top and then drop, huh? Okay, let me show you. First top, drop, second top, third top, and then you can go back here where it started. Okay, so that's possible for ape, okay? Because our volume, as you can see, it's getting lower. Okay, we have twin peaks bearish. Okay, it's a bearish sign. Okay, okay. So let's now check just me for the last time, for the last coin. Okay. So just me got trapped already. We're looking at the future, 1 hour time frame. So we are just having some drop base drop. So drop base drop. So we are having a drop base drop. The retest was here and then drops again. If we hold this line here, then we can start our drop base drop from here. Okay, fibs, let me pull out the fib. Swing high to swing low. Okay, we already touched the 382. Okay, the 382 is a short entry. Oh, it's already printing a green volume. Another entry here. Another entry here. Okay, that can be our short position. Okay. Okay. So I hope that helps for our base drop. Okay. This one is bearish engulfing. Okay, small green, big red. So this is a bearish engulfing in 1 hour time frame. And for our time frame, it's just a continuation to the downside. Okay. Okay. Raffle. So we're gonna clean our raffle now. So congratulations to our winner every Sunday. Okay, we had 229 entries last week. Okay, let me save it first. Okay. So you can comment 20 USDT if you want to join our raffle, okay? El Negro. Rio Ichiban. Felicity Villaflor. Handsome Boy. Jeffrey Hamtig. Ava Grande. Mary Anko. R.A. Chanelin. Lara Ingrid. Most welcome. Biren Paul. Tyson. So you don't have to force yourself right away to trade again, okay? So if you lose a trade and if you think you are not well yet, your emotion is damaged. Emotional damage, right? For Asians. So if you get emotional damage and you cannot focus in trading, so you can rest. If it needs 1 day to rest before going to trade again, that's fine. The market will not leave us anyway. It's just there. So as long as we are in a healthy condition to trade. Okay, so that we will not do some revenge trading and even lose even more, right? That's not even odds lodi. Okay, so if some recovers right away with emotional damage, some recovers right away, others takes 1 day, others recovers 1 week, others recovers 1 month. Okay. My wife told me she will just recover if we make money again. So it seems like she needs to start trading, right? I told her already, you start trading, you join our practical group. Hey, wife. Blair. So we can recover. So for me, I recovers for some loss. Just a sleep is fine. I can recover after. It's just proper mindset. Okay. Blair. If it's a deeper wound, then it might take longer. Okay, depends also with how much you lost with your trade. Okay, little loss it means it's just a scratch. Bigger loss, then that would mean bigger wound. So it might take a little longer. Okay? So but that's the reality of a day trader. Okay? That's the reality of a day trader. Even if you ask day traders will lose money. Okay? So that's normal. That's part of trading. Okay? Because if you are not willing to lose, then you are going to wipe out your account because you will not put stop loss. So that would mean you're gonna have a liquidation. And that would mean you're gonna wipe out your account. How can you recover your loss if you are not in the game already? That's why we have the 1% stop loss rule, right? Okay. Kevs Buena Fe. Se Marie Kalaykay. John Ventura. Chod. BMD TV. Mary Madeleine. $16 million viewers, huh? 16 million viewers. Now it's already 18 million viewers. Alu Vlogs. Do you want to join our raffle, Alu? Edmund. Asyap. Okay, I think we have all the entries. We have 34 entries today. Okay, thank you for joining us. I hope all is well with you. Let me save this first. So stay safe, trade safer. See you in our practical group for our signal, okay? All the best. Cheers. Let's make some money. Bye-bye. Okay, Alu, I'll add you, okay?